Hi everyone. Do you ever think that time even has the color of it? We spend our whole lives trying to measure time. We use clocks, calendars, heartbeats, and fading sunlight. We think of time as cold, gray, and abstract, something that slips through our fingers just like sand. But lately, I've started to wonder if we've got it all wrong. As modern people, we are obsessed with speed. We want everything instantly. Fast internet, fast results, fast solutions. We look at time as an enemy that steals our youth and rushes us forward. But I think time is working its own quiet alchemy. When it's still very sunny, I like to make this simple rustic magic, traditional Vietnamese pickle mustard greens. It's a tradition rooted in patience, transforming humble, spicy mustard greens into a vibrant, golden delicacy that brings any meal to life. Through natural fermentation, the sharp, pungent bite of raw mustard greens mellows into a delightfully crisp, tangy, and deeply savory crunch that awakens the palate. I just simply love having a jar of these pickles sitting on my kitchen counter. To me, it's a very charming invitation to cook our classic Vietnamese comfort dishes. There is a quiet joy in the process itself, washing and sun-drying the leaves and waiting. But I know, to most of us, the hardest part is waiting, believing that something is happening when all you can see is stillness. Since I've been slowing down, I realized time is a trustworthy partner. In a world that constantly tells us to hurry up, catch up, and stay ahead, it's easy to view time as a ticking clock running out too fast. But when we shift our perspective, we realize time is a quiet, reliable partner walking right beside us. And nature has an entirely different way of keeping time. Have you ever looked closely at an ordinary kitchen staple, like the avocado pit, and realized what it's truly holding? Within our kitchen and our garden, every leaf is a page of patience, proving that if you give things enough space and grace, time doesn't just pass, it grows. And I truly think that nature has a way of keeping records that goes far beyond sight. When you tend to a small patch of green on your balcony or in your little garden, watering a sprig of rosemary, brushing past a fresh mint, or harvesting a batch of lemongrass, you realize that time itself has an aroma. Every fragrant leaf is a living memory of sunshine, rain, and and quiet patience. And when we come to realize that every living plant is a physical manifestation of time, patience, and care, we appreciate every single bit of it. Did you know that you can use an old, dry, natural loofah for your bath? It's a wonderful, sustainable way to exfoliate and turn an ordinary shower into a mindful, spa-like ritual. My little one said it's so satisfying to take the skin off the dry loofah. An entirely dried loofah can feel stiff, scratchy, and way too harsh for your skin. So before using it for the first time, submerge the loofah in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. As it absorbs water, the dense, fibrous network will swell, soften, and become wonderfully flexible. And if you are running a zero-waste kitchen like I am, you can use the loofah skin for the compost and keep the seed for regrowing new trees. Growing plants is the magic way to restore all your time. Within our kitchen, our garden, and our everyday routine, the story about green time is everlasting. Time doesn't pass, it grows. If this gentle reminder brought a little peace to your heart, make sure to subscribe.